ICOS is a research infrastructure. What it aspires to do is to establish stations operating in common ways across the whole continent of Europe to measure greenhouse gas uptake and concentrations in different environments, on land, in the sea, and also to measure atmospheric concentrations. And so from that set of observations, we can attempt to deduce the greenhouse gas budget of Europe, how it's changing, and ultimately via linking to other parts of the globe, similar endeavours going on elsewhere, how the planetary carbon cycle is changing. So within the UK, we've selected a set of stations that we believe will make important contributions to this international effort. We have a station in Scotland, an ecosystem station, which monitors the flux of carbon from the atmosphere into the terrestrial system and then monitors how that percolates down through the various parts of the terrestrial system until ultimately it ends up in soils and rivers. We have we have a series of ocean stations. So those are places where we monitor continuously the uptake of carbon dioxide by the ocean. One is in the open ocean. It's on a huge buoy system that our Met Office has established there, and we place carbon dioxide sensors at the surface of the ocean and just in the atmosphere above it to look at the flux. And then we also have a station in coastal waters to see how UK coastal waters are taking up carbon. And finally, we have a ship that operates between the UK and the Caribbean, carrying a carbon dioxide sensor with it all the way. And then finally, we have an atmospheric station which is located on the north coast of Norfolk. And that's a key location because it's on the eastern side of the country, and so it can sample air masses as they leave the UK before they reach continental Europe. We have a series of other stations in the UK, some of which are contributing data that's of relevance to ICOS, and in the fullness of time we hope to bring those into the UK ICOS and ultimately the global endeavour as well.